Look at this crap, guys. It was 70 degrees yesterday, and I come out this morning and there's a light snow and it's about 30. Just crazy, the hormonal weather in the Appalachians. But yeah, today we're going to spend the day in the garage. I'm going to head over to AOMC and pick up some parts I ordered. A Starcross and some brake pads for a KX250F. A battery for that TTR. Hip pups. And some spark plugs for the Virago. So we're going to run over to the KTM shop and pick those up and then get back to the garage, get the heater fired up, and get going. This is my Chevy Impala SS, little just a round town car, little commuter that I use. So I try to keep the miles off that thing. Nice little car, man, supercharged, really fun to drive. Been a good car so far. Mike, how are you? Hanging in there. Be better if this weather would make a decision one way or another.
No doubt.
Okay.
Picking stuff up.
Yes, sir. Well, yesterday didn't go exactly as planned. My seedy boot sole project ended up taking 2 hours. Basically every single bolt that came out of the boot sole, I had to put it in a vise and take a small Dremel and recut a groove in it so that I could get a screwdriver on it just to put it back in. So that took a couple hours. And then I worked on the TTR for a bit. Alright, so you guys have got to check out this carburetor on this TTR. Oh! One of the worst I've seen in a while. Had to tap it with a hammer just to get it apart. Looks, I don't really know. It's no wonder it wouldn't start. Shoo! Can't wait to see what the jets look like. Realized that the carburetor was in such bad shape. I'm going to need gaskets. I don't think I can clean that pilot jet. I'm going to get new jets. I'm getting all that coming today. Then I start on that Bayou. And I had to drill out the carb to get the throttle cable on. I had to put the throttle assembly back together. Got the battery in it. Realized I'd accidentally left the key on in the mule to kill this battery. So I had to trickle the battery. I got it in the Bayou, and I got no power. Neutral light won't come on. Headlights won't come on. If I cross the solenoid over with a screwdriver, it will try to start. Tried 2 different solenoids, and I mean, they're not even clicking when you hit the starter button. So I know it's not the solenoid. It's somehow the machine itself is not getting power to any of the auxiliary stuff. So I've got a buddy coming over today who's more apt with electrics and electrical systems in DC than I am. I'm going to bring a pretty good meter, which I don't have, and see if he can chase down what the heck's going on with that Bayou, because I'm super frustrated that I've dropped over $100 on carbon battery and can't even really try to start it. So he's going to work on that today. I'm going to button up any last stuff I can on this LTZ and get it a little closer so that when the bolts come in, I can fire it up and see what's going to happen. And maybe put this case together on this KX250 right here. If I can get enough peace and quiet to get it done, maybe do some more cleaning. I don't know, it's cold outside, frosty and cold, 30 degrees, so probably stay in here and just tackle any projects I can today.